All right. I'm filming this because is f***ed. That's all I'm gonna say. I need to film this to change whatever's happening right now. I'll give you guys an update. So the truck, one of the lifters failed. We pulled the engine, did a whole, all new lifters, DOD, delete, cam, headers. It won't start. We don't know what it is. Battery, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm still trying to find answers. On my way last night to pick up the new starter for the truck, I was driving the Jetta, and some part of the cooling system took a big shit. So coolant everywhere under the hood, all over the place, it's all gone. I thought I found the hose that had a gash in it, but it's not the hose, so I'm trying to figure that out. But I'm so burnt on cars right now. I have the 20th that's on stands in this other garage out here. This thing now not running, the truck's not running. Also, I just drove my side-by-side to AutoZone this morning to pick up the new battery for the truck, and the side-by-side broke on the side of the road and I had to get towed.
Hey, let me say something. Let me say something.
Out of the 5 vehicles, drivable vehicles that I own, one is good right now, and it's here. And I haven't even taken it off the stands yet this year. So, I mean, I guess I have an R32 to drive, but I almost don't even want to drive it at this point. So, I got a delivery today of some new wheels for my R32. If you guys follow the Instagram page, you've already seen videos of them, but I'm gonna do an unboxing video right now of these new wheels, and I'm gonna film it for you. Here we go. As you can see, the garage is in a state of dismay, and that is just how everything is right now. So it's as messy as it's gonna get. I'm hoping that these change my luck or whatever. Oh, the other call out is Wookiees in the Woods. We are leaving in less than a week, and the truck that I was going to use to tow the R32 with my brand new trailer is not working. I have 6 days to figure it out. So it's just not that much fun right now. These are the times when I question why I like working on cars and why I like doing all this. Woo, boy. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't even want to touch them and get them dirty with my gross coolant covered hands. Man, these are light. Whoo. So there they are. These are Kinesis K28 faces that I bought and I sent to Mark, I think it's Perot is how you would say his last name. It's The Deported on Instagram. So we refinished the faces. They're brushed on the front, and then they're actually polished windows. So they're polished on the inside of the window area here. Gold bolts, polished lip, black barrel. There she is. Man, these are really light. I definitely gotta weigh these. They're a lot lighter than I had imagined. I've been wanting different wheels for the R32. When I did the 996 brakes, I originally was running Aristos, and you can run a 10 mil spacer and clear the brakes. It's about the same, I think, for 17Z and 18Z. Then I wanted new wheels, and I searched at CCW, some different BCs. I looked at Rotiform, I looked at some other brands, and I just didn't have a lot of options because there's just not a lot of space with those big ass brakes. What we're gonna do is, these are the exact same spec as the BCs, but we're working on a kit, myself and Shane from, I think it's Haluch is how you say his last name, Haluch Motorsports, that will allow you to run a 6-piston big brake kit from Willwood, but allow you an extra inch of clearance between like the Porsche brakes and then these new Willwoods. And these are the wheels I'm gonna run. So these wheels, I love them. I think they're sweet, but they just never were the right ones for me. So it always just was something that bothered me. So these are gonna be the new Johns. All right, guys, so I'll just zoom in on them. Hard to see here. Maybe I want to bring them in the sun, but you can see the brushed face. And then if we can get the right light, you can see that the windows are polished, right? The gold hardware. Can't get Kinesis center caps anymore, so Mark, who rebuilt these, he makes these caps, and he painted the Kinesis logo. It is gold. It looks orange on film, but it came out gold to match the gold hardware. There they are.